Well, hello. I'm so happy you're here. I'm going to show you a cute trick I saw, and that I'm going to make some fireworks on this black paper. It is Pixis, and it's good for alcohol inks, watercolor, and even your acrylic. And today we're going to use acrylic paint, and it's by Jen Craft. To make them, we're using a toilet paper roll that we have cut into that, and it's going to dab on and make firework looks. And I use a straw for smaller. Okay? That's what we're going to do today. It's going to be so fun. Okay, that's all we really need. So let's get started. Okay, I got started. I forgot to turn the video on, but I'm using the little straw that I cut, as you see. And down here you can see just a piece of paper is what I'm using. And I'm just dabbing the underside of that straw and coming in and making an interesting color in there. And I'm going to do a multitude of colors and try to make it look really cool, like a firecracker. So let me try. Let's squirt out a little bit of this pretty orangey yellow color. And get it wet with your straw. It almost turned a little greenish, but because of the blue, but and give it a nice little splatter like that. I wanted some purple. Squirt some purple out on your palette. I squirted a little too much, but all right. And maybe we want one a little darker there. Or maybe one over here. Some blue on this guy. Like that. Good. And I'm going to come back over that. Now you have a little bit of water next to you so you can clean your straw off. If you're wanting to get back into a pure color, which I do, I want to use a little bit more white. And then re-wet your straw and come back. Just go over. Try to, and get it to look like some fireworks. I think we need a little bit of kind of a reddish color, so I'm going to use kind of an orangey. Oh, did I not take the... Nope, didn't. Okay, 1 second. All right, now that I got the lid off, and I thought maybe we need just some brightness. These are fireworks. They're not perfect. There we go. Whee! Have fun. And I'm just doing like the edges, which are taped off, by the way, so it'll be a clean border. And there we go. I think we have a firework. There's one other little special thing I'm going to do, and that's going to be to use these metallics. These are also from Pixis. This color is Unicorn. And it has, shake it up till you hear that bottle rattle. Open it up, and then I'm going to put some down and dip my straw in it and get us some pretty, hopefully pretty sparkly color. Rinse my brush better. Wasn't quite clean. My pearl kind of ran around. I don't know what. Come back. I gotta pour some more. There we go. Get your straw really saturated. It's not wanting to pick up as easily, but do y'all see that sparkle now coming? I sure do. That made it. That made it. doesn't want to stay on my palette as easy as I want it to. More. There we go. I like that. I can get enough sparkle. I'm not quite getting the sparkle that I want. Alright, I think we're done. We're done. That's all we're going to do. Just show some fireworks, kind of random. What do you think on the night sky? Not bad, right? Yeah. All you need is straw and cut it up like that and make it and pounce on your paint. And boom, you've got fireworks. I'm not quite liking that one, so I think I'm going to add just a little bit more white on the top of it. Thought I was done, but I double looked at it, and that one needs a little help. So, get some white, load my straw. Oh, I got one of my straw petals that aren't working. There. There, okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm happier. There we go. Okay, we're done. Finally done. Thank you for watching. Wanted to make it really quick and short. Get you a little straw, have some fun, make your own fireworks. Okay, thank you. Oh, if you'd like to, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Have a wonderful day and a happy new year. And let's have a great 2023. Can you believe that? I can't. It's crazy. Going so fast. All right, everybody. Love to all of y'all. Bye now. Okay, here's our flyover. I added some stars, dots, and things like that. It kind of looks like flowers, actually, my husband said, and it probably does. But anyway, I see fireworks. I tried. I hope you try too. It's fun. All right, have a great time. And this is our flyover. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.